Hello everyone and welcome back to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to be testing out this double dark fertilizer with a 6% iron. This product's from a company called Yardmastery. This fertilizer contains 16-0-0. This fertilizer comes in a 45-pound bag. Will cover 15,000 square feet. We'll get this laid down today, get it watered in, and we'll check back in a couple weeks to check out the results, so stick around. Here is a look at the lawn before we apply the double dark fertilizer with 6% iron. Let's get this fertilizer applied at the recommended rate, get it watered in, and we'll check back in a couple weeks. All right, everybody, it's been just over 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks since I applied the Yardmastery's Double Dark with the 6% iron. So let's take a look at the results. Here we are, just under 3 weeks since I applied it. I do have to say I'm not quite as impressed with the results as I was with some of their other products that I've used in the past. However, after a week and a half of applying this fertilizer, we did have 2 days of deep frost. It got down into the mid-20s to upper 20s for a couple nights in a row, which did, I think, brown up the lawn a little bit. It gave it a little bit of that winter kill. So maybe if this were applied in the spring or summer, your results would be a little bit better. Overall, it did a pretty good job though. I did have a lot of rust spot in my lawn, which took care of most of that. Here's a close-up look. Although this Yardmastery Double Dark did green up the lawn a fair good amount and took care of a little bit of the rust spot that I was having problems with, I'm not quite as impressed with the results, but part of that might be due to the fact that we did have a good frost a couple nights in a row about a week after I applied the fertilizer. So that could be attributing to some of the factoring in that it didn't get as dark as I had seen in the past with some of Yardmastery's other fertilizers. I did test out the starter fertilizer this year with the 3% iron, and then last year I applied another product. I'll have those links in the description if you guys want to check out those videos to see the results of how well that fertilizer worked. If you guys want to test this fertilizer out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description where you can find it. Go ahead and give it a test and leave comments down below what kind of results you guys had with it. Well, thanks for joining me today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.